This comprehensive spreadsheet gives you an easy way to track, organize, and manage your speech therapy caseload. You'll make your own copy of the spreadsheet, which opens in Google Sheets and is ready for you to add your caseload information and use ongoingly. The custom-made script automatically transfers your students' information to various tabs in the sheet. The IEP Details tab helps you keep track of each student's IEP information, such as goals, services, and the annual and 3-year dates that automatically change colors as they approach to ensure you don't miss one. An Evaluations tab houses important information for upcoming assessments, including a clickable checklist to complete as you work through each one. The Case Management tab lists just those students in which you serve as the IEP case manager. The column for a quick link to the IEP, color-coded due dates, and a meeting checklist ensures you can case manage effectively and efficiently. A Progress Reports tab helps you track completion of progress reports for each due date throughout the year. Optionally, you can use each student's specific tab to fill in lesson plans, digitally or by printing. You can also add data for each goal, making it easy to note progress over time. When the student-specific tabs are used, they pull attendance in number of sessions and number of minutes, so you can track the services that have been provided. For each group of students, a group template can be created in order to view goals for multiple students at a time. Streamline your caseload organization using this one tool that automatically transfers data throughout the sheets. Many other features make this spreadsheet easy for daily use, including organized tabs, drop-down menus, color coding, clickable checklists, and hyperlinked text.